Hey YouTube family and GN subs, I got some great news for you, huge. I've been talking about Schedule A Group 2 occupations previously, and I've been telling you that they're going to expand the list of occupations in the Schedule A Group 2. Well, guess what? April 10th, 2024, expanded. It's going to be a fast, efficient, and broad way to get a green card, including STEM occupations. So I'm going to talk all about it. For those of you who are new to the channel, I bring good news. I'm the good news guy, and welcome to the channel. You can get me at hrg@graylaw.com. And hey, we got a lot to unpack today. A lot of good news for DACA recipients, etc. I'm going to go through a lot of this. So let's get at it. Alrighty, the great news, expansion of Schedule A Group 2 to include STEM. I put a link in the description box below here to give you the policy alert. USCIS, they have rolled out the definition of science and arts as it relates to the Schedule A Group 2. Why is this important, folks? I'll tell you why it's important, all right? For EB2, employment-based second category, and EB3, you need a labor certification. These days, folks, a labor certification is taking minimum 1.5 to 2 years to get. Once you get the labor certification approved, which includes a test of the labor market, you have to advertise the position online, etc. Once it's approved, then you file the I-140 with USCIS. That'll take another 6 to 8 months unless your premium process. You could do that. However, the Schedule A Group 2 designations, guess what, folks? It allows you to bypass the labor certification process. You can file directly with USCIS. That is a game changer, folks. Also, what else is a game changer? They've expanded the category of science and arts. Science and arts is defined now as any STEM specialized occupation where there is a course of study that is offered by a university. All right, so I'll give you some examples. Let's say you're studying computer science, right? That's clear. Specialized course offered university. If you're working in that field for a year prior, you can do the Schedule A Group 2 now. It's expanded. All right, give you another one. Engineers. There are courses offered in university in engineering, all types of engineering. I'll give you one that's a little less obvious. Math. All right. I just recently had a hedge fund that was looking to bring a foreign mathematician to crunch numbers. This hedge fund looked for businesses to purchase. You have to crunch numbers. He hired this mathematician. Now that person would be included in the Schedule A Group 2 occupations where we could bypass the labor certification process and get the green cards. This is huge, folks. I'm going to do another video and I'm going to outline exactly how you file for the Schedule A Group 2. The requirements, step by step, all right? That's going to be coming up soon, folks, so stay tuned. All right, so we got a good case from the Sixth Circuit. They overturned the BIA. They said that the BIA did not employ the aggregate approach standard to immigration. These are generally in the context of asylum applications and Convention Against Torture applications, where the BIA must look at all of the facts in a particular case as it relates to the asylum claim, right? You got to look at the multiple sources, the things that happen in the case, the evidence that is submitted in aggregate, and make a ruling. In this particular case, it was a motion to reopen. Things had changed over many, many, many years, including the country conditions in Iraq. The individual now had been living in the US. Lots of things have changed. The BIA did not consider those. Sixth Circuit overturned. The aggregate approach is the standard that should be employed in these cases. Alrighty, I got some great news for my DACA recipients. If you are here on DACA, you now qualify for federal health care through the Affordable Care Act. Biden just signed this recently, and it's across the board. There are approximately 100,000 DACA recipients currently in the US. You can get health care now. That is a game changer, folks. I am so happy. So look in your local jurisdiction, make an application, qualify for your health insurance, okay? All right, finally, I know I'm throwing a lot of meat at you today, huh? All right, I have one other thing here. I put a flyer for non-immigrant visas. How do you procure non-immigrant visas? Generally, you have to file in the US first for that non-immigrant visa. It gets approved. Step 2, you make an application DS-160 at the U.S. consulate. Number 3, you make your appointment. So I have a flyer here that shows you step by step. This was issued by Ayla. It looked really good to me, so I thought I'd share this with you. It's some great information. Click below, check out the content. It's really cool. Hey, YouTube family and GN subs, thanks again for watching. Please go to my playlist. A lot of good content there. Go to my frequently asked questions. I answer those questions by linking the video. It's awesome stuff. And hey, we'll see you next time.